It's Ray Ray. Ray Ray. And today we're making
BLTs.
Yeah. It's Ray Ray. Ray Ray. Oh, okay, tell them what we're making.
BLTs.
BLT sandwiches.
Yeah.
All right. So Raymond is gonna start slicing these tomatoes in
Yeah,
half.
that's right.
Hi, Froggy and Doggy.
Yeah, here we go.
So we got some nice fresh Roma tomatoes. Slice them in half the other way.
Yeah, also there could be Doggy and Froggy are coming to our merch store soon, right?
That's right, to our merch store.
Maybe.
And we're gonna make a nice roasted tomato mayonnaise for our BLT sandwiches.
Yeah, and why is it called BLT? It's because it has lettuce, bacon, and tomatoes.
That's right. Bacon, lettuce, and tomato.
Yeah.
So if you're trying to make this at home, just try to slice all your tomatoes the same way.
Yeah.
Right, because Raymond's got some different shapes here, so they might cook differently.
That's okay. But
Yeah.
but what's the most important thing?
What?
To have fun.
To have fun, that's right. Alright, now get all your tomatoes in the pan. Yeah, and you want to get everything in there. Any juices on the cutting board? Because that's all flavor. We want it all in there. Oh, there you go. Only dropped one, not a big deal.
Yeah.
Alright, let's just wipe up the table here.
Alright, and let's just get the juice in here.
Yep, there you go. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to put some olive oil and some sea salt and some pepper on the tomatoes.
Alright, let me do it.
Okay, so, yeah. Perfect! That's exactly how we measured. No spoons needed. Okay, now get the oil.
Alright.
Yeah.
I hate this right when to stop.
That's good. Okay, but the next time you want to drizzle it all around, okay?
Okay.
Okay, yeah, now mix them up.
With my hands?
Yeah, why not?
Alright.
You don't wash, not a sink. Okay, and we're just gonna pop these right in the hot oven. It's preheated to 425 Fahrenheit.
Alright, and while I'm done, I'll dry my hands.
Alright, time for a dance break. Go Ray Ray, 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 go. Ah! Nice moves.
Hey,
Oh! Alright, Ray Ray, what's the next step?
put the bacon on the tray.
That's right. So here's our bacon that we're using today, guys. And tell them where it comes from, Ray Ray.
A Manitoba family farm at the tray's plate.
Now, how many pieces of bacon do you think you can eat, Ray Ray?
I can't eat all of it.
What? No way. I think you can eat one.
I'm just gonna keep putting it on the tray.
Oh boy. I knew I shouldn't have let you do that job. Still need some time.
Okay, the bacon's all done.
Ray Ray, what are you doing? We're supposed to be making BLTs.
I'm on my break.
You're on your break? Playing Tony Hawk?
Yeah. We're taking the tomatoes out of the oven.
Oh, listen to that sizzle. That's the sound you want to hear.
Oh yeah, baby. Hey guys, it's Ray Ray with the action cam here. Now that's gonna take the oh yeah baby tomatoes and I think you can grind or blend them, but that's going to blend them, right?
That's right.
Cause you don't have a grinder.
Yeah, you just want to be able to puree them.
True.
Yes.
We're adding some Montreal chicken seasoning.
All right, go ahead and put a spoon in.
All right. That's not 20 the action camera now.
That's right. Why don't you do a little bit more?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just use your judgment. There's no real measurements here.
The more, the better.
And, just get half of it all over the counter and the floor.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough.
All right, that's over.
What? That's like Uncle Roger's MSG. Are you kidding? Look at the mess he just made, guys. Man, this is going to be a big cleanup job. Hey, I have a question, Ray Ray. Do you think Mama will do it?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I'm on the action camera now. Now you want it to be something like the dad just made.
I'll show them how it looks inside. Whoa, nice and steamy still. A beautiful orange color. How does it smell, Raymond?
I think it smells pretty
Oh,
good.
yeah.
It smells like macaroni. It smells like Cheetos macaroni, actually. Alright, now we're making the roasted tomato mayonnaise. The ingredients we need the buttercream, mayonnaise, and salt and pepper.
And just remember that the butter thing is not actually butter, it's our roasted tomatoes.
Yeah.
And the mayo that we're using today, now, of course, homemade is always best.
Yeah.
But this is the next best thing, if not as equally good.
Yes.
This is called QP mayo. I'm sure lots of you know about it. It's going to make our BLT really, really delicious. All right, Ray.
Alright, here we go.
Nope, so first is the mayo.
Ready. I'm just going to squeeze the butter in there.
That's right. I'll give this a stir while you do that. No, you just gotta. Here. There you go.
Coop.
You're welcome.
I'm going to squeeze all of it.
Just a whole bunch. That's right. Again, we're not measuring here, guys. Just use your judgment. Right? It's just a BLT. You don't gotta.
Yeah, it's just a sandwich.
That's right. You don't gotta be too specific. Whatever you do is gonna be delicious.
Yeah. Now be careful if you pour it, guys, okay?
Gently, okay?
Yeah.
How about, let's pour together.
And also ask adults
That's right.
if you're a kid.
All right. I think that's enough. We'll mix that and see how it tastes. But first, we've got to add some seasoning.
Yeah.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper is still good one.
That's right.
Yeah, good choice. Okay, guys, we're not measuring, so just use your judgment.
I think you can do a little bit more.
Right.
Mhm.
Salt.
And a little bit more pepper. You know we like pepper, right?
Yeah. Yes, sure. We actually hit the less cabbage bowl, but that's okay. But the most important thing is to
Have fun.
yeah.
All right, that's looking good. Let's
Yeah.
taste it one more time.
Right. It's gonna be more good this time.
Hang on. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh yeah. That's what we're looking for right there.
Those are some nice bacons. Hey guys, we're here with the action camera here. We're going to put this pan with nothing in the oven to toast the buns.
That's right. So it can get hot and the buns will get a nice crust. And
Yeah.
look at our bacon. It's cooking nicely. So next time it'll be ready soon.
Look at that
Oh,
thing.
it smells so good.
I think I want to eat some right now.
Right? All right, guys. So now we're getting the buns ready.
True.
So Ray, tell them what you're doing.
I'm cutting the buns.
That's right. You're gonna make sure they're cut in half, right?
Yeah.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some of this on either side of the bun before we toast it.
Yeah.
And so this is bacon fat with regular mayo.
Cool.
And what it's gonna do is gonna intensify the bacon flavor on our BLTs,
True.
but it's also gonna make a really nice crust on the bun.
True.
Oh, I'll get that for you.
Alright. Look, I got my hands.
Okay. All right, Ray. Then spread the bacon fat mayo on them.
Good thing.
Okay, and I'll get these out of the way. Okay, and while you're doing that, I'll check the oven.
Yeah, this way the bacon fat mayo thingy will make it more tasty when we toast it and make it more tasty when we eat the BLT.
All right, Ray.
Huh?
Time to put the buns on this hot pan. I'll hold the pan. You put them on carefully. All right. There you go.
This is here.
And we put the cut side down.
Hurry.
All right, Raymond. So our bacon is cooked. Our buns are in the oven.
Alright.
We're just waiting for them to toast up. Time for a dance break. Go Ray, 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 go Ray. Woo! Whoa, nice.
Okay, that just took the buns out of the oven. You want them to look something like this.
Here you go. Nice toasty crust. That way, you won't end up with a soggy bun or bread, whatever kind of bread you want. Today we're using these really nice, delicious cheese buns from a local bakery called Harvest Bakery. They're absolutely delicious, especially when you toast them and they get nice and warm.
Sure, I think these are made like on Wednesday or something.
All right, are you ready to put the toppings on?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think you can put the tomato mayo on the top.
All right.
think I'm gonna have cheddar.
I think I'm gonna have both.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
All right, tell them what kind of cheese you're using.
I'm gonna use the old one.
Yeah, old cheddar.
Yeah, and I'm gonna use mozzarella.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the cheese on the bottom bun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna have double cheese.
Here, I'll have this one. You use this one. Okay. We're putting the cheese on the bottom bun.
True.
Because it will help protect the bun from any juices on the sandwich from dripping into it.
Yeah.
And it won't get soggy.
True.
Well, I guess you need a cheddar too, hey?
Yeah.
There you go. Here's the cheddar.
Cool.
You're welcome.
I'm having double cheese, guys. If you want triple or if you want mozzarella cheese, you can't do that. How many pieces of cheese you want? You can't have that, right?
That's right. That's
True.
why the BLT is one of the perfect sandwiches because you can
True.
make it exactly how you want.
Yeah.
All right. So now we're gonna put some lettuce and tomato.
Yeah.
So today we're using iceberg lettuce.
True.
Okay. If you don't want iceberg, then I suggest maybe romaine. You want something with a good crunch to it. No
True.
leafy greens or rabbit food here.
True.
Yeah. And there's the tomatoes that we sliced up. The
True.
same Roma tomatoes.
Yeah.
All right. So why don't you put some lettuce on our sandwiches on the top? Yeah. Here, I'll show you how I do mine. Okay. You want a good handful. Be generous with the lettuce.
Right.
Okay. So put some on yours. Yeah. One more.
I think that's good.
That's enough? Alright, just make sure you spread it out, okay? Yeah. And we are using shredded lettuce because that's what we like. If you want to do big leaves or chunks, again, however you like your sandwich is how you can make it.
Yeah.
One tomato?
I'm gonna put some more.
Okay. And I'll put some on mine. I'll do 3. And it's good.
I'll do 4.
And it's good to salt and pepper your tomato slices.
Yeah. I'll do
Makes a big difference on them.
1. Let me.
That's okay. You got enough.
No, I mean the bottom one. It's okay, some salt will get there, right?
Yeah, and just try to spread it out. Raymond's got a big pile of salt here. Okay, so you gotta be careful. Yeah, you put too much.
Yeah.
You know what? Why don't you get some more tomatoes? Those are too salty. You can't eat those. Alright, you ready?
Hold on.
Hey!
I'm ready.
Really? One big spot of pepper?
I'm ready.
You know Daddy's gonna be sneezing forever?
Ready.
Okay, now time for the best part.
Bacon!
That's right! Okay, and now I'll do yours, okay? There, that's all you get. No, and then the rest goes on Dad's sandwich. Alright, and that's how you make a BLT, guys.
Now it's time to put the tops on.
That's right. Okay, maybe that part can be left for the adult.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Ray, I'll show you how I do it, okay?
Okay.
And then we can show the viewers too. You just gently pick it up, use your thumbs to hold the toppings on, and just flip it on top of your sandwich. Just like that.
Okay. So first, give it out one more tomato.
Go ahead. Alright guys, it's time for the taste test. Let's see what Ray thinks.
Here we go. Why don't you taste away from me?
Okay, fine. Cheers, guys. Mm. Mm-hmm. That's a pretty good BLT. Going for another bite? Mm. What do you think, Raymond?
Well, give me a 10 out of 10, 5 stars, I think.
10 out of 10, 5 stars. Wow.
Oh, well, 10 out of 1,000.
Alright guys, well thanks for joining us today to watch us make these BLTs. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you make BLTs at home, let us know.
Yeah, look over here.
What's over here? What do you mean? What? Hey! Hey! What's going on? Boy! Boy! Get back here!
Oh, hold on, no, not that. Yeah, guys, sniff this feed.